Welcome to Dorman Products Air Strut installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be light to medium difficulty of installation. We recommend an advanced do-it-yourselfer or a technician handle this repair. Depending on your vehicle, this installation will take approximately between 1 to 2 hours to complete. Begin by releasing air pressure from the brass fitting found on the top of certain struts. This may not be needed for all vehicles. In the same location found under the hood, locate and remove the 3 nuts on top of the strut. Then, raise the vehicle up on the lift, allowing for removal of the front wheel. Once the wheel has been removed, check the workspace for any lines that may interfere with the rest of the repair. Move any wires out of the way and avoid damaging of air lines. Next, disconnect the sway bar linkage, freeing up the strut. At this point, we recommend using a jack stand to help support the weight of the strut and assembly while removing. Also be sure to not put too much strain on the brake hoses and ABS sensors during removal process. Next, remove the ball joint nut and separate the spindle assembly. Remove the axle nut if needed to gain extra clearance for strut removal. To complete this installation, follow steps in reverse order.